End-user factories usually face problems when purchasing, such as unpredictable demand, unstable orders, lack of cash flow, and small number and variety of sample requirements. In the face of these problems, in addition to the basic price and quality, what are the advantages of traders? Market shortage material procurement. When a sudden increase in certain electronic materials, the market demand for the state of shortage, the original factory or agent's delivery cycle will be up to 10 weeks or tens of weeks. However, in general, manufacturing factories are not able to wait a long time for the delivery of production. You need to look for traders of the spot inventory. Even if the shortage of materials in the spot is more expensive, cannot delay the production of factories. At this time, traders, in addition to their own stockpile of some of the spot outside, will also use their own channel resources to find the shortage of materials for customers, unlimited brand, unlimited number of customers to help solve the production problems. One-stop BOM allocation. Usually a product BOM is composed of many brands and models of materials. It is not possible to 100 kinds of materials to find 100 agents to cooperate, and the original factory only produces its own brand of materials. Agents only agents of individual brands of electronic products. At this time, the excellent traders can provide customers with a one-stop BOM with a single service. The factory purchasing only need to docking 1 or 2 suppliers. You can complete the BOM of the product inside dozens of materials purchasing, greatly improving the efficiency of production. Dozens of materials procurement, greatly facilitating the procurement of factory problems. Sample demand procurement. Due to the factory and market will have uncertain demand, sample demand for a small number of samples, more types of problems, sample procurement has become less money and more work. If the demand is uncertain, looking for original factories and agents to get samples, service and after sales will be greatly reduced. So many original factories and agents are reluctant to take such a single, but spot traders can provide customers with samples purchasing work, less money and more orders. Instead, it has become an important opportunity for traders in the supply chain, and traders who can match orders for customers can basically produce samples for customers. Accounting period support. Factory terminals very often cannot pay suppliers as scheduled, facing cash flow pressure, and strong financial strength of traders can do longer than the original factory or agent account period support in order to increase their competitiveness. Therefore, can greatly relieve some of the factory terminals of the pressure on cash flow. Procurement is not often a variety of suppliers to call for payment, but also want to think of a variety of reasons for perfunctory each other. Discontinued material, obsolete material procurement. Factory, some of the old products received a new order. You will encounter some electronic materials have been discontinued. The original factory discontinued materials. Agents are not. Discontinued material does not lie in the future how to do, more often than not, in order to solve the urgent need for the current order. General engineering technology is also difficult to find 100% alternative electronic materials, or find alternative materials need time to verify. Spot traders often have some stockpiling, or have factory inventory of dull material channel resources. Use their channel resources to find discontinued material for customers, obsolete material for customers to deal with the inventory of dull material. The factory always has some stagnant electronic materials. These are all new and original materials. When the customer cut product orders or prepare more material, it becomes stagnant material. Long time cannot be used on the need to deal with electronic material recycling may be more like when the electronic waste cleanup. This time is generally and trader cooperation. The use of traders to find suitable buyers of resources in general. The trader will have a similar industry customers at hand, more accurately to find the demand for these materials buyers, rather than sell stagnant material cheaply. Spot fast delivery. In general, the original agents have goods. Traders can get the goods. The original traders do not have the spot to schedule orders. Traders also hoarded spot when the end of the factory is in urgent need of certain electronic materials. Looking for the original factory or agent is the need to schedule orders or transfer goods, often more passive, and spot traders can hoard the spot according to the hand and the market to achieve rapid delivery, reduce the time cost of the end factory procurement. Overall, the original manufacturers and agents have their own advantages and disadvantages, which is the reason why traders exist in the supply chain. Indispensable and electronic traders need to work hard to complement the advantages of the original manufacturers and agents based on the shortcomings of the original agents to highlight the service. When choosing an electronics trader, customer buyers should weigh all factors and select an ideal supplier with reliability, technical support, supply chain management, innovation and continuous improvement, and partnership.